Find a quiet, comfortable place where you will not be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a position that feels safe and supported. Close your eyes and begin to focus on your breathing. Take a slow, deep breath in. Hold. And gently let it out. Feel a warm wave of relaxation spreading from the top of your head down over your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. With each exhale, your body becomes softer and heavier. This warmth flows down your neck and shoulders, releasing any tension. It moves into your chest and back, your arms and hands, your hips, your legs, and all the way to your feet. Continue to breathe slowly as this relaxation deepens. Now, imagine you are standing at the top of a staircase with 10 steps leading down to a place of deep peace and calm. With each number I count, you will feel twice as relaxed and focused. 10. Stepping down, deeper and calmer. 9. Peaceful and safe. 8. Your mind becoming quiet. 7. Tension melting away. 6. Drifting deeper. 5. Halfway there, more relaxed. 4. Feeling peaceful. 3. Almost at the bottom. 2. Calm and centered. 1. Completely relaxed and open to positive change. In this peaceful state, you discover a clear sense of purpose and energy. Tasks that once felt overwhelming now feel simple and achievable. You naturally break your goals into small, manageable steps. You feel a sense of satisfaction and pride each time you take action. Your focus grows sharper and your motivation increases each day. You enjoy moving forward, knowing you are capable and determined. You are free from the desire to smoke. Each day, you feel more in control of your choices. Cigarettes no longer have any power over you. You breathe easily and fully, enjoying the fresh, clean air. Your body is healing and becoming stronger. You choose health, freedom, and vitality with every breath you take. As you prepare for sleep each night, your mind becomes peaceful and quiet. Any remaining thoughts gently drift away. Your body feels warm, safe, and completely relaxed. You fall asleep easily and deeply. You stay asleep through the night and awaken refreshed and renewed. Sleep comes naturally to you, bringing deep rest and restoration. Any old patterns of worry and tension gently dissolve. You feel safe, centered, and calm. You trust yourself to handle whatever comes your way with clarity and confidence. Your breath brings peace into your body and mind. Each exhale releases any remaining stress. You are calm, resilient, and in control. You are confident and self-assured. You trust your instincts and your abilities. Your mind is clear and focused on what matters most. You handle challenges with calm determination. Each day, your sense of confidence and focus grows stronger. You believe in yourself completely. In this calm state, you invite a soothing warmth into your lower back and legs. This warmth gently eases any tension or discomfort. With each breath, you feel more comfortable and at ease. Your body knows how to heal and restore balance. You are patient and kind to yourself as you heal. Every day, you feel stronger and more comfortable. Take a few moments to allow these positive changes to settle deeply in your mind and body. As you rest here, imagine these new beliefs and feelings becoming part of who you are. Stay in this relaxed state for as long as you wish. When you are ready to return to full awareness, I will count from 1 to 5. 1. Slowly returning to the present moment. 2. Bringing energy back into your body. 3. Becoming more alert and awake. 4. Eyes starting to open. 5. Eyes open, feeling calm, confident and renewed.